Hey everybody, it's David again. I'm back in the kitchen today, and today I'm going to make one of my favorite little dishes that I make for myself. And I'm going to tell you about my ingredients, as always, and tell you kind of what I'm going to do, and then I'll walk you through the process a little bit. So today I'm going to be making crab salad. Now, we live in the middle of the country, so getting fresh crab doesn't really happen. So I do have a pack of artificial crab meat. I am going to be using some sweet chili sauce, soy oyster sauce. I am going to be using celery, green onion, garlic, a little orange for flavoring, the juice, jalapeno pepper, some lime juice, bell pepper and a couple sweet peppers, and cream cheese, pepper, salt, and basically avocado mayonnaise, and those are my basic ingredients. What I'm going to do is chop up all the vegetables nice and fine, really small. And I'm going to chop up my crab meat larger than my vegetables. And I'm going to gently fold them all together. And then when we're all done, since my beautiful wife is wanting me to eat healthier, instead of putting it on crackers and I really like them in spinach tortillas, I'm going to use this leaf lettuce as a wrap and put some crab salad in it, roll it up, and that's how I will eat my crab salad. So we have our vegetables. We have some celery, some jalapeno, spring onion, bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, some garlic, our crab. So these are our dry ingredients. So now what I'm going to do is work on my wet ingredients. And I've already got some cream cheese in the bowl. It's been sitting out room temperature for a good while because you want it to be softened. Refrigerated cream cheese is really hard to work with, so you need to soften it up. And you don't want to heat it up. You want to let it come to room temperature. So remember, this is one of my favorite ingredients, avocado mayo. I think this is one of the greatest inventions ever made. And I love it, love it, love it, love it. So we're going to throw that in there. And of course, as you guys know by now, I just play things by ear. I pick and choose what I like. So here's our sweet chili seasoning. Let's put a little bit of that in there. Some oyster sauce to help giving it that seafood flavor a little bit. You can add a little fish sauce if you like. It's really good. All right. So we have got some lime. There's a little orange. I'll sprinkle some of that juice in there. Now, calamansi juice is really, really good in this. But I don't have any, so I kind of got to make do with what I got. Then I'm going to basically stir my wet ingredients, getting it mixed up nicely. There we go. And then I know for sure I want all of my crab meat in here. So I'm going to put that in here. Because I love crab meat. I know this is artificial, so it's not the real thing, but it's what I got. And then what you want to do, and I think this is important, you want to fold, just take your bowl, and it's good to turn it at an angle, and just fold your ingredients. Don't smush it together, just fold it together. You guys probably all know what this is, a little rice spoon. I use this a lot for this purpose. So we'll throw in some celery. We got some jalapenos diced up nicely. Now I left the seeds in on purpose. When you leave the seeds in, it doesn't necessarily give it a super hot flavor, but it gives you more flavor. All right, and then we got some green onions from the yard, some sweet bell pepper for some color, and then some green bell pepper, which is also a very sweet bell pepper. And then over here, I got some garlic. Now I diced up my garlic nice and thin because I don't want to eat big chunks of garlic. Then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to fold. Not mix, not bruise, just fold in the ingredients. And if you got a little bit, too much mayonnaise, well, you can add a little bit more ingredients. I've done this enough times that I think I've gotten mine just about perfect to start with. Because I make this quite a bit during the summer months. And it's not summer yet, it's spring, but I was craving it, so I decided to make it. Now I do think, since I like pepper in mine, a little bit more pepper would be great. A little bit of salt. Let's fold again. And there you have it. A very simple crab salad. Now, as I told you, I'm going to use green leaf lettuce to eat this with. And how I do it, I literally just take some of my good old food, and it can be anything. I kind of roll it like a tortilla in a sense, like that. Now you can take that hard part off. It's one of my favorite foods. Oh my goodness, so good. You let it sit in the refrigerator. The flavors will continue to enhance. And it lasts for about a day or two in the fridge. That's why I don't make a very big batch of it at once. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you here at Filipino American Couple. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Talk to you soon.